So what are the concerns today in an online environment when we talk about the domain names? Number one is cyber squatting. What is cyber squatting? Cyber squatting is an act of registering a domain name consisting of well-known trademarks or trade names with the intent to earn profits. This is also sometimes referred to as cyber piracy. Such as Yahoo versus Yahoo India. This was the famous case wherein the Indian company has registered yahooindia.com, infringing the rights of Yahoo, and Yahoo took a legal action in India in the Delhi High Court, and Yahoo India was restrained and ordered to transfer the domain name to Yahoo Inc. There is a second aspect to it known as typo squatting. This is the misspelled version of the domain names. Like many people, when we go online, we type misspelled versions of a name. Say if I am searching for Naukri, I will type Nokari. So this was again a very famous case, Naukri versus Nokari, wherein there was misspelling of the word Naukri.com. Another case was Rediff versus Radiff, wherein instead of E it was A. So these are the internet concerns which I hope the panelists would address you during their presentations. Another concern is the gripe sites. Gripe sites are the domain names incorporating well-known marks which are registered to write a critique for a particular brand or name. Very famous US case decided by WIPO was WalmartSucks.com and WalmartCanadaSucks.com. In the first case, WalmartSucks.com, the complainant got the registration transferred to them because the respondent has registered that domain name with an intent to earn profits. Because the intention was to earn profits, he wrote to Walmart that, look, I have booked this domain name WalmartSucks.com and I offer you this domain for such and such amount. So the intention was to earn profits. But in the second case, WalmartCanadaSucks.com, he was, for last 3 years, he was writing critique about Walmart activities in Canada. So the complainant, Walmart's complaint was denied by the panelists, saying that the domain name was registered only to write a critique and not to the intention was not to earn profits out of it.